about Access 2010. I have successfully saved the data of my father's shop in Access 2010. How can I retrieve specific data?
To retrieve data from the tables of Access 2010, you can use queries.
Can I use any feature that can help to view and print the details of daily sales?
Yes, reports. The reports feature of Access helps us to generate reports wherein data can be analyzed, organized, and summarized.
Setting relationship between tables. We have identified the field that is common between the two tables. But these two tables are independent and not connected to each other. Let us create relationships and connect the tables. On the tab Database Tools on the ribbon in the Relationships group, click on the Relationships icon. The Show Table window appears. The dialog box that appears shows the list of the tables in the database. Select the table that you want to add in the relationship and click on the Add button. In this example, select both the tables one by one and click on Add. When both tables are added, the Relationships tab displays both the tables with their fields. On the Design tab of the ribbon, under the Tools group, click on Edit Relationships. The Edit Relationships dialog box will appear. Then click on Create. We can select the first table name under Table or Query and the table to be related under Related Table or Query. Select the fields to be related under the table names. In this example, the table names are Student and Marks respectively, and the field is roll number in each of them. The Relationships tab shows the relation between the two tables by joining Student, roll number to Marks, roll number, creating a query. A query is a request for data results, for action on data, or for both. You can use a query to answer a simple question, to perform calculations, to combine data from different tables, or even to add, change, or delete table data. Queries that you use to retrieve data from a table or to make calculations are called select queries. Queries that add, change, or delete data are called action queries. We can create a query to see the marks greater than 80 in the subject Science, or just to see the name and address of all students. For this, he or she will need data from two tables, name from student and maths from marks. A single table query is actually just an advanced filter applied to a table. Access provides two primary ways to create select queries: the query design and the query wizard. We will create a query from the query design as it gives you more control over a select query. On the Create tab in the Queries group in the ribbon, click on Query Design. The dialog box Show Table appears. Select the table from the Show Table dialog box on which you would like to run a query. Click on the Add button. Let us display the data showing marks above 80 in the subject Science. As this data is in table Marks, select Marks and click on Add. Query 1 tab appears and table Marks is displayed on it. Query window appears below the Query 1 tab. The query window also known as the Query Design Grid, allows us to design the query. The components of the query window are as follows. Field. It displays the names of the fields included in the query. Table. It displays the name of the table of the above field. Sort. It is used to sort the above selected field in ascending or descending order. By default, query results are not sorted. Show. A check mark is used to indicate that this field will be visible in the result of the query. To hide the field during runtime, deselect the check mark by clicking it. Criteria. It is used to specify exactly the condition on the basis of which the records will be filtered in the query output. Or, it is used to specify multiple criteria. Saving a query. Click on File, Save. The given dialog box appears. We can change the query name or go ahead with the same. Click on OK. It is now a database object and is listed in the navigation pane.
Thank you. Now I know how to retrieve specific data using the queries.
It's okay.